In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Steam on your computer. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and don't forget to leave a like. Let's jump straight into it. First, open your preferred web browser. I personally use Google Chrome, but any browser works. Then go to a search engine like Google and type in Steam. Make sure you click on the official site, which is store.steampowered.com. Once you're on the Steam website, look in the top right corner for Install Steam and click it. Keep watching because I'll also show you how to set it up after downloading. Click Install Steam again, and the launcher will start downloading. After it downloads, open your Downloads folder in File Explorer and double-click the Steam setup file. You might see a Windows security pop-up. Just confirm it. Now you'll be on the Steam setup window. Click Next, select your language, and choose the installation folder. Then hit Install. Once it's done, make sure Run Steam is checked and click Finish. Steam will now start its main update, downloading all the files it needs. This may take a few minutes, so just sit back and wait. Once the update finishes, Steam will close briefly and then reopen. Next, sign in with your Steam account. If you don't have one yet, click Create a Free Account at the bottom right. It's simple. Just enter your email and choose a password, then you're ready to log in. I'll log in with my account now. Here we are, inside Steam. If you already have games, head to Library to find and install them. If not, you can buy new ones or get free games. For example, search for The Sims 4, it's free to play. Just click it and you're ready to go. That's it, guys. I hope this guide helped you. If it did, leave a like and peace.